Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Since it's Saturday, I will be posting a video. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is well, a card video. So since there is a holiday coming up, which I think you all know what it is, Easter. And since I've learned in time that a lot of birthdays are in March, April, and May, so we'll be making Easter cards and birthday cards. Alright guys, so first you've got your paper, right? Yours can be plain old white paper. I'm using my construction paper because I don't have any other construction paper besides color. So you fold your card, and I'm making my card this way. You guys can make it this way. I'm just going to make it this way. This time, it doesn't really matter what you start off with. You can start off with any material. Since a Sharpie is all I have near me, I will be using a Sharpie. Alright, this is squishy, guys. This is our Easter card, right? That's how you spell Easter?
No.
How do you spell it then?
E-A-S-T-E-R.
I thought she spelled it that one. I was confused. We're going to be writing Happy Easter. Now, there are two different ways that you could write this. Since I'm just showing you, I may be making this card for somebody, but since I'm just showing you, I'm going to write it in those two different ways. You can either do bubble letter or this fancy way, which I'm going to show you the fancy way first. Alright, so I'm just going to show you in happy. Alright, so you want to make your swirl. I love doing this way. And then you just make your line, and then that was a little bad, but then I can just connect it. So our H, and then our A, and then, oh, I forgot to do it on this one. So, as you can see, it's a pretty, this looks pretty cool. The Y's I'm not good at, really. Alright, so happy. And then with birthday, I'm going to show you bubble letters. Alright, now, I think bubble letters are honestly, how do you do a bubble letter? Okay, I can't do it with these. I have trouble with that. I forgot how to draw bubble letters, guys. Sadly, we can't do bubble letters. If you guys know how to draw bubble letters, then just do it. I don't know how. The eyes are kind of difficult. Got that one. Alright, that's an eye. Eyes are kind of weird looking, but I don't know how you do an R. I think this is how you do it. I think that, alright. T's are weird. That looks weird, doesn't it, guys? I've been taught by a friend how to do this, so don't blame me. Alright, so D's are weird. And then so yeah, you can do bubble letters. I like this better. It's a little fancier, and it is way fancier than bubble letters, but in my opinion, I think this looks better, but bubble letters will be fine. And now we can decorate it. For some reason, I just like drawing hearts. So I'm going to draw 3 hearts. You don't need to do the exact same thing as me. And now we're going to do... Wait, why did I write birthday? Alright guys, this is our birthday card. That's weird. Alright guys, this is our birthday card. So, I'm just tempted to write birthday on everything. So guys, alright now, why am I'm gonna draw a birthday cake now since I ended up drawing birthday. I'm sorry guys that I accidentally did this, but we can start off with it. I know you guys won't mind. I'm bad at drawing cakes, guys. If you can do better, good job. I'm bad at drawing flames. Alright, there's my 1 candle. Alright, now we're gonna turn on to the inside. The inside, you can write whatever you want, but I'm gonna write... you don't need to see what I'm writing, because I'm putting a name in here. Alright, I'm writing happy... Actually, I'll just make another one. Birthday... Sorry, guys. I'm a slow learner. And then put the person's name where the line is. I'll just write name. Happy birthday, someone. And I'll just, yeah, happy birthday, someone. On it. So since there is a shutdown, since I'm making this for somebody for their birthday, since I'd be making this for somebody for their birthday, since their birthdays in April, March, I can't remember. It's kind of a bad friend, but I'm gonna write, I'm sorry that you will, that's a bad Sharpie, it's wearing out, will not be seeing any, did I spell any wrong too?
Yeah.
Wait, is that how you spell any?
Yeah.
Alright. People for your birthday. Hope you enjoy time with fam. And then I always write sorry guys, I'm bad at spelling. Oh jeez. And then you'd sign your name. I'm gonna write doggy. Alright guys, so that is our birthday card. You obviously can write whatever you want, but that's the writing part for mine. All I said, if you want to do the same thing I wrote. I said happy birthday, person's name. I'm sorry that you will not be seeing any people for your B-Day. Hope you enjoy time with your family. Happy birthday, doggy lover. You could write sincerely your name, or yeah. But yeah, and now I'm gonna draw a picture. I love drawing pictures, guys. Alright, so this is gonna be thing at the bottom of balloons. Oh, that was the wrong way around, dang it. I can't draw them right way around. Well, maybe that is right way around, I can't tell. I'm bad at telling things, guys. Now I'm not gonna draw a beautiful table. And now I'm gonna draw another ginormous plate with a cake on it. Just a tall cake. Alright, so that's my very quick sketch. Oh, and real quick, while I'm folding my other page for the Easter, this time I promise it will be for Easter. If you guys aren't watching GRG Studios, you should go over there at some point and check out his videos because they're great. I watch them basically every day, and I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. And also, I don't know why you'd be watching this if you don't know who Mr. Rhino is. Also, go and check out his videos because he posts a lot, and he is a very, very good YouTuber. Alright, now let's get on to Easter. Alright, I'm just gonna do regular writing this time. Happy Easter. Alright, so that's our Happy Easter, and I'm gonna draw an egg. This is like the worst egg I've ever drawn, but I'm cool with it. Alright, now I'm not going to draw a very detailed thing on it. The inside one will be way more. You can spend your time on this. I'm just making it look a little 3D. That looks 3D, right? I think it does. Because with hands, you always draw those lines and they look 3D. I don't know if that looks 3D. I think it does, and now I'm going to draw a flower. I'm bad at drawing flowers, guys, so don't make fun of me. Come on. And I'm just drawing hearts, so you can see. Alright, now let's just draw cool lines. They're just lines, not cool. Alright, now we're on to the inside. Alright, guys, I don't know what to write on the inside. So you guys can pick anything. I'm just gonna write Happy Easter again, and draw a picture on the other side. Now I'm gonna draw a egg. This is actually the worst egg I've ever drawn. Oh, wow. Don't go down on me now. You guys don't need to make it look 3D at all. I'm just choosing to because I love 3D eggs. And now I'm just gonna draw flowers because Easter's in spring. So I'm only drawing one, you guys can draw way more. And now, here's where I always come to take my time a little bit. that does not look like a little mountain at all. But this is ground. And now I'm going to draw the sun. I'm going to draw a bush because this is an Easter egg hunt. I'm going to draw an egg in here. I'm going to draw an... you guys can draw your people more advanced than I am. I don't want this video to run too long, so that's my person, and there's going to be an Easter egg basket on the ground. There's one egg in her basket. That's pretty fun. And she's obviously not competing against anybody. Feel free to color yours in. That'll take this video on too long. See you next time. Bye.